Are you tired of feeling sluggish? Do you want to boost your energy and improve your overall health? As they say, let food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food. In this video, we're diving into the 10 nutritious foods your body needs every day. So if you're ready, let's jump right into our countdown with number 10, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and collard greens. These leafy greens provide your body a much-needed boost. They're bursting with vitamins A, C, and K, plus a bunch of minerals like iron and calcium. And here's what's even more interesting. A 2017 study in the journal Neurology followed 960 older adults for almost 5 years, tracking what they ate and how their brains were functioning. They found that those who ate 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens daily had significantly slower cognitive decline. It was like they had brains 11 years younger than those who rarely ate their greens. If that is not a good enough reason for you to load up on greens, I don't know what is. If you have trouble getting leafy greens down, you surely won't have the same issue with the next item on our list. Number 9, berries. Berries are nature's candy, but without the guilt. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're all loaded with antioxidants that fight those nasty free radicals that can damage your cells. And guess what? It might benefit your brain health too. A 2012 study in the Annals of Neurology showed that women who ate plenty of blueberries and strawberries experienced slower memory decline as they aged. So go ahead and grab a handful of berries for a sweet treat that's good for your body and your brain. For an added punch, you can also add a handful of the next item on our countdown. Number 8, nuts and seeds. Let's crack open the benefits of nuts and seeds. They are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. And even just a handful of almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds can do wonders for your health. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people who ate nuts daily were 20% less likely to die from any cause over a 30-year period, compared to those who didn't eat nuts. But of course, you must always remember, moderation is key. Nuts are calorie-dense, so stick to a small handful a day to reap the benefits without overdoing it. Moving on, we have a food that's been making waves in the health world. Number 7, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. These fatty fish are swimming with benefits. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain function and heart health. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that consumption of fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids was associated with lower risks of cardiovascular disease. So if you have a family history of heart disease, or if you just want to ensure your heart health, add fatty fish to your diet. And if you're not a fan of fish, don't worry, we've got you covered with our next superfood. Number 6, avocados. Avocado toast isn't just trendy, it's healthy too. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating an avocado a day as part of a hearty diet can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Plus, avocados are incredibly versatile. You can spread them on toast, add them to salads, or even use them in smoothies for a creamy texture. But like with nuts, you have to be careful with your portions, as avocados are relatively high in calories compared to many other fruits and vegetables. Now, let's move on to a food that's been a staple in many cultures for centuries. Number 5, legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, these are an awesome addition to any diet. They're packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Research has found that people who ate legumes 4 times a week had a 22% lower risk of heart disease compared with those who consumed them less than once a week. And if you're trying to lose weight, legumes are a great choice since they are also great for weight management. Their high fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. As we move into our top 4, we're going to talk about a food that's often called nature's perfect food. Can you guess what it is? Number 4, eggs. Did you guess it right? Or are you surprised to see this food item on the list? You shouldn't be, because eggs are incredibly nutritious and versatile. They're rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Contrary to old beliefs, research has shown that eating eggs doesn't raise cholesterol levels in most people. A study in the journal Heart found that people who ate an egg a day had a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Eggs are also great for eye health. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Now let's move on to our top 3. These foods are absolute must-haves in your daily diet. But before we do, here's a quick question for you. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, please consider joining the members area to get exclusive access to our member-only videos and other perks. Click the join button now. Now back to our countdown. At number 3, we have whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are packed with fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. They're the complex carbohydrates your body needs for sustained energy throughout the day. A comprehensive meta-analysis published in Circulation in 2016, which included 12 studies and 786,076 participants, found that people who consumed about 70 grams of whole grains per day, equivalent to about 4 servings, had a 23% lower risk of death from cardiovascular disease and a 20% lower risk of cancer death compared to those who ate few or no whole grains. Whole grains offer multiple health benefits due to their rich nutrient profile, including fiber, magnesium, vitamins, and phytochemicals. These components help lower cholesterol, decrease inflammation, and reduce cell damage, contributing to lower rates of heart disease and certain cancers. It's worth noting that while 70 grams per day showed significant benefits, even lower amounts of whole grain consumption were associated with health improvements. This suggests that incorporating whole grains into the diet can be beneficial at various intake levels. Whole grains also help keep you feeling full, which can aid in weight management. So, swap out those refined grains for whole grains and feel the difference. Now, let's talk about a food group that has nutritious standouts. Number 2, fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, these fermented foods are teeming with beneficial probiotics that support your gut health. And as we're learning more and more, a healthy gut is key to overall health. A study in the journal Cell found that a diet rich in fermented foods increased the diversity of gut microbes and decreased markers of inflammation. The study also showed that fermented foods can boost your immune system and even improve your mood. And if we are going to get technical about it, the study found that the immune-boosting effects of fermented foods were observed across multiple cell types, including CD4 plus T cells, CD8 plus T cells, B cells, and classical monocytes. So add some of these tangy treats to your daily diet. And now drumroll please, for our number 1 food that your body needs every day. Number 1, colorful vegetables. Eat the rainbow isn't just a catchy phrase, it's solid nutritional advice. Different colored vegetables provide different nutrients and antioxidants. Red tomatoes are rich in lycopene, orange carrots are packed with beta-carotene, and purple eggplants contain anthocyanins. Each color brings its health benefits to the table. A study in the International Journal of Epidemiology found that eating 10 portions of fruits and vegetables per day was associated with a 31% reduction in premature deaths. So fill your plate with a variety of colorful veggies to give your body the wide range of nutrients it needs to thrive. And there you have it, 10 nutritious foods your body needs every day. Leafy greens, berries, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, avocados, legumes, eggs, whole grains, fermented foods, and colorful vegetables. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety. Try to incorporate as many of these foods into your daily meals as possible. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more content like this. Now, let us know what you think. Do you already include some of these foods in your daily diet? Or are there any you're excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. See you in the next video.